In this video, I'll show you how you can create an unfilled square inside of Photoshop. So doing this is actually very easy. So first open up your project, then go to the plus tool in the bottom right hand corner. This is going to open up a new layer. So create a new layer. Once you've done that, head over to the secondary button in the toolbar. And by default, if you left click on it, it should be on the rectangular marquee tool. If it isn't, you can switch it back to this. Now all we need to do is hold down shift on your keyboard and then click and drag, and it will drag a square. Now it will make sure all of the sides are the same length. So once you've created your square, you can then right click, you can go to stroke, and then once you've done that, choose your width and your color, click OK, and it will then create your square on your new layer. Then click Ctrl D on the keyboard at the same time, and then you will deselect your square. Now, because it's on a new layer, you can go ahead and move this anywhere it needs to go.